all my life I've gone into things just because that's the way events took me. I mean, if you'd have told me at the age of 22 that I was going to spend my life
Meanwhile on the radio.
Shut up.
Compilation has been going out on Thursdays at 9 o'clock BBC 2. All the episodes are available on BBC iPlayer. And we played Paul McCartney, who's kind of like a disco Paul McCartney track, but you're a dancer, so I was half expecting you to find the rhythm irresistible and to get up and...
I was told to behave myself, Simon, actually.
Norbert. That's another one. Jesus. That was close.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god, oh Jesus! Fucking hell! That was almost knocked out.
No, for God's sake, do that. Ay, 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 ay. It's safe.
100 yards. Please leave roundabout at the
What an arse.
At the end of the street, turn right.
Scuff marks on them, and you're just like, right, whatever, I give up now, I'm just going to wear them all the time and just deal with it. And I've just seen this little hack. If you want to keep your trainers box fresh, you've got to have someone else carry you around. And I know you're thinking,
Youth are like that.
It's going to take a while to recapture my youth, I think, but I'm getting there slowly.
Who are you looking forward to seeing? Who's on your wish list?
Well, I saw the Colt last year at Cardiff Castle. I'm seeing them again in November because they just still sound so good from when they were in the 80s to now. Billy Duffy's got to be one of the best guitarists around. He's got to be up there with the rest. Just a pity he's a Man City fan, to be honest.
I was just going to say that. I saw pictures of him recently on the pitch with Noel Gallagher and Johnny Mars. They were celebrating.
But my car is same as any modern car, isn't it?
Really?
Easily cut in.
They just cut right across. Typical bloody Audi.
There's no loss for DSG, very good player. Look, we don't know what happens, it was just hard to comment. It is hard to comment, but the interesting thing, aside from sort of the nuts and bolts of the appeals and stuff like that, is the way people are lining up on this. UEFA and PSG are very, very much together in this. UEFA, President Telegraph, have stated that it is regrettable